If you are part of the motorcycle lifestyle, there's a new place in OTR you'll want to check out. Camino Motor Company doesn't focus on motorcycle equipment. Its niche is lifestyle items like gloves, helmets, vintage and denim clothing, and handmade knives from a craftsman in Indiana.
Motorcycle culture and the community is fairly big downtown, and they didn't have much of a hangout spot to be able to go to. And then when this space became available through Urban Sites, it just seemed like a no-brainer to be right here on Main Street.
Camino also displays custom locally built motorcycles on the shop floor. The goal is to constantly have new bikes rotating in, both for people to show off their custom work and also for sale.